Hey guys, it's Miriam with lots of toys. Subscribe to our channel for lots of fun videos posted every day.
Check out these fun new construction machines we're going to be opening and playing with. There's a dump truck, a bulldozer, and a wheel loader. They actually have lights and sounds. They're mini movers. However, these are medium-sized actually. They're not really tiny. They have the feel of real. Check them out. You can set up your own construction site and have loads of fun. Let's go ahead and open them up and play with them. These are actually a good size. Check out the 2 construction sites we've actually opened before. And in comparison to these construction sites, these vehicles are pretty big. The dump truck is pretty handy. It's very spacious. It can carry large loads. I love the fact that you can actually dump with it. So this comes in handy. Press the button to hear all the construction sounds. It has big, powerful wheels. It can definitely carry its load. The wheel loader is really fun. Not only does it have movement, you can move the scoop up and down, It also has lights and sounds as well. Here's a set of mini construction machines, and I wanted to compare the two and just show you that these really are not mini machines. They're pretty big. They're actually medium-sized. Even though it says mini on the box, these are definitely not mini. Check out the Bulldozers in comparison to each other. Now this is a mini one and this is a medium one. Here's the mini dump truck in comparison to our dump truck that we just opened. And as you can see, this is definitely not mini. This one is mini for sure. Here's the Bulldozer. Of course, it has that front scoop track. And of course, these are not real tracks. They have wheels at the bottom. All of these toys require batteries. They do come equipped with the battery, so you don't have to purchase it separately. And I love the lights and sounds. These are all by Caterpillar, of course. And it's a neat addition to our collection. Well, that's it for us, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed already. And also, click the like button. Leave a comment down below as well. I would love to hear your thoughts on this video.